If you buy your car, whether it's at a dealership for sale by owner, you want to be able to take your car to the dealership and be comfortable. A lot of people think that getting a car serviced at a dealership is not the most convenient way, or you're gonna spend more money. Well, let me just give you some reasons why you should get your car serviced at the dealership. One is, if there's a recall on your vehicle, you know every time you go into the dealership that they look it up. If a recall shows up, the service advisor will let you know. And recalls are done for free, no cost from you. The factory pays for it. And if you move to another address, 2 or 3 addresses in 1 year or 2 years, the recalls don't follow you to different addresses. They're gonna put the use address in the system where you live at, or what they have in the system. They don't forward to the old address unless you change the address. So anyway, you'll know that. If you go somewhere else and maybe you get an oil change and they use the same type of oil, synthetic oil that dealership use. If somebody else has a $10 price difference, maybe they're lower, $10 lower than what the dealership is. Ask, can they price match? Or ask for a discount. What can you do for me? Or what kind of advice can you give me? For instance, if you have 10 things that need to be done in your car, and your pocket or your finances say you can only afford 2, then if you develop that relationship with the service advisor, they're going to tell you what's the most important thing that you need to get done right now. So build that relationship. Going to a dealership, if something happens, give you an example. Had a person that went to the dealership and got an oil change. The mechanic forgot to put the oil in there. Engine blew. Well, the dealership had to replace the engine. If you go to a mom and pop store, they're probably going to come up with all these reasons why it wasn't their fault. You did this, you did that. You're going to have to go through more issues or go through more problems, maybe take them to court to get that taken care of. So know that getting your vehicle serviced at the dealership is more to your advantage. So if you're watching this video, you know what to do. Matter of fact, you don't know what to do because this might be the first time you watching me. Go on over to my YouTube channel, Regina, the Queen of Car Loans and Credit, and subscribe. I'll see you soon on my next video.